Hi there, Joanne here. Today we are going to talk about what it costs to live in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua in February 2026. I tracked everything that I spent in 2026 February, and what I'm not including in this, I'm not including any business expenses, any renovation project expenses, anything unusual, just everyday living. So with that said, let's get to it. Before we start, a couple of important things to note: that I am single, I live alone, I own my own little house, so I do not pay rent. I cook most of my meals, and I do not drink alcohol. So with that said, this is not a universal budget, but it is mine, and it is my real cost. So I am going to be transparent about everything that I spent in the month of February. Let's start with groceries. For my main grocery haul, which I went to Ahora Más, I went only once in the month of February. Sometimes I go more than once, but I only went once this month, and I bought everything from ground beef to chicken breasts to pork to fruits and vegetables and things that I need around the house. That one haul came to $69 or 2,510 córdobas. But because I only went there once a month, I have to supplement throughout the month, and I have a little store right across the street, which I call the pulperia. That is the typical name of a little store in Nicaragua. So at the pulperia, I go there a lot. I buy my eggs and my drinking water and everything that I run out of throughout the month. And there I spent $42. Now, are things a little bit more expensive at the pulperia? Yeah, a little bit. But is it worth it for the convenience? Absolutely. So in total for groceries, I spent $111 in the month of February. Moving along to transportation. At the moment, I do not own my own car, so I am at the point where I have to take taxis everywhere that I go. And I took 6 taxis in the month of February. That cost me 650 córdobas, which is approximately $18. Household cleaning supplies. I spent only $6 on cleaning supplies in the month of February. I do have a lot of cleaning supplies. I just ran out of 1 or 2 things throughout the month. I also pay for garbage disposal from the local mayor's office. That costs 300 córdobas per month, and every household has to pay that in San Juan del Sur. And that comes to about $8.22. So waters, as far as my utility goes, my water utility, it is every month 452 córdobas or $12. And the next thing on the list is electricity. And if you follow my my channel, you know that I just put in a small solar system. It doesn't cover everything in my house, but it covers like the bare essentials. And for the last 3 months, my bills have not been consistent at all. So I really don't know what normal is for me at this point. In the month of February, my bill was 1,300 córdobas or approximately $36. I think I'll know more next month what will be typical for me for my monthly electricity expenses. For internet, I get very good internet, and I need very good internet because I am an ESL teacher online. So I pay for fiber optic, and the cost of that is 1,705 córdobas every month, which is about $47. My cell phone, which I need for everything and for my business, I pay 920 córdobas per month, which is about $25. For health, I do not have health insurance, but I belong to a health program from Vivian Pellis. I did a whole other video about my visit to Vivian Pellis, where I got my yearly checkup. So I belong to something there called Club Salud. It is not an insurance program because it doesn't cover everything, but it is a highly discount program. So if I have an emergency or something like that, I pay a less amount. And I also pay less amount for services that I need throughout the year. And I pay $34 for that every month, which is about 1,240 córdobas. As for restaurants, I don't go out very much, but I did go out 6 times in the month of February. Sometimes just for like to have a drink with somebody or a coffee. I had one really nice lunch at the beach and a couple of nice little lunches here and there. So I spent 70 US dollars or 2,540 córdobas. Household help. So as I say this, I grew up in Canada and I lived some time in the US as well. And I know that most people in North America or Europe for that matter, they can't afford to have people come in and help them in their home. But in Nicaragua, I have the good fortune of having a gardener come once a week, and he helps me not only keep my garden, trimmed back and watered and looking nice, but I also keep the street in front of my house looking nice because my house is attached to my business, and I want it to always to look welcoming. So he helps me keep that clean as well. And also on Wednesdays, I have a cleaning lady that cleans the interior of my home, and she also helps me keep the street in front of my house looking nice, and also the garden. She does like a very cursory cleanup of the garden on Wednesdays. I'm very, very fortunate to be able to do this. I paid them each 500 córdobas for each visit. There were 4 weeks in February, so they each made 2,000 córdobas. So for me, that is well worth it. They both made 55 US dollars, so I paid $110 for those services in the month of February. Drinking water. It is safe to drink the water out of the taps here in Nicaragua. You can taste the chlorine, but I buy drinking water. The 5-gallon or the botellones of water, I buy them right from the pulperia. They cost 100 córdobas each. I drank 4 of those in February. That comes to approximately 11 US dollars. So when you add everything together, my total spending for the month of February 2026 was 17,753 córdobas, which is approximately 486 US dollars. And honestly, it was a very typical month. I didn't have any big surprises, no unusual expenses, just daily life. And again, no rent included, no renovations, no business expenses, just living. If you are considering moving to San Juan del Sur, I hope this gives you a little insight into how much it costs for daily life. And your numbers may be higher or lower because your life is most likely going to be a lot different than mine. But this is one real life example. And as I promised, that is complete transparency. There it is, every centavo. See you on the next one.